betrayers, lies, dark secrets, and crazy chaos that will blow your mind. Yeah. This is Clean My Mess, the series where I, the cleaner, break down the drama of real life stories with no filters and no mercy.
I don't want peace.
Are you ready? Let's get into today's story. I am 27 and I have been with my girlfriend for 4 years. We were planning to move to another city together to start fresh with bigger opportunities, better jobs, and a chance to build a future. Everything was set. We had saved up, signed a lease, and even mapped out our new life together. A week before the move, she told me she couldn't go. She said she wasn't ready to leave her family and wanted to stay in our hometown. I was shocked, but I didn't push her. I told her I would go ahead and move first, and she could join me when she was ready. She said she would think about it. Fast forward 3 months, and I find out she's not only staying here, but she's dating someone else.
It's off! It's off.
Did it shock me?
And not just anyone, but my best friend.
Oh my God!
Whew. The same guy who was helping us pack when we thought we were moving. I feel like my entire life was a lie. She led me to believe we were building something together while she was planning a future without me. Now I am stuck in a new city alone, trying to figure out how to move on. Please, how do I get over the betrayer?
God have mercy upon us.
Whew, that was messy. Wow. Just wow.
Did it shock me?
She didn't just steal your future, she burned it to the ground and handed the ashes to your best friend.
God have mercy upon us.
Let me be real with you. This isn't just betrayal. This is a masterclass in disloyalty, and you didn't deserve any of it. First, let's address the obvious. Your best friend cut him off.
I don't want peace.
No explanations, no goodbyes, no second chances. He was supposed to have your back, not take your girl. So keeping him around is like keeping a knife in your back. It's time to pull it out and let the wound heal. As for your girlfriend, let's not waste energy confronting someone who is already shown you who they are.
Get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
She doesn't deserve your time, your anger, or even your thoughts. The best revenge isn't calling her out, it's thriving without her. You are in a new city now, and that's your clean slate. I know it feels like she stole everything you were working for, but the truth is she didn't. She only revealed she wasn't meant to be part of your future. Now you've got the freedom to build something real, something solid, without the weight of people who don't value you. Here's my advice. Stop looking back. Focus on yourself, your goals, and the life you can create without her. Because one day, when she realizes the grass isn't greener on the other side, you will be too far ahead for her to even catch up. So keep moving forward, because this is your time to shine.